So someone in the Rumble chat says, what the hell is happening?
I hate this fucking outfit. Never in my life.
Oh, Jesus. Hold on. I gotta turn it
rather
down.
be fucking dangerous than not.
Holy shit, that's
Clean
horrid.
the fuck up. What are you doing?
Thanks.
So if you don't understand anything, please let me know. We have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer before questioning, to have a lawyer present with you during questioning. And if you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will appointed to represent you at public expense before ordering any questioning if you do wish. And if you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop the questioning and remain
Why
silent.
are the microphones like this in the interrogation
room? You understand
room?
each of these rights?
Yeah.
Yes. Realizing that you have these rights, are you now willing to answer questions or make a statement?
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
Well, a few hours ago, police were dispatched to an address on Stone Interrupted. The parents' house, Shad Irian. Do you know Shad?
Put some fucking carpet up on the
Shad.
walls.
He's my ex.
He's your ex-boyfriend?
Yeah.
Well, they found a kind of disturbing stuff at the house there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of blood. Basically Shad's head.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, it's pretty fucked up.
Mm.
And then, so we know you were there at one point.
Yeah.
With Shad.
Yeah,
What else
the audio is maxed.
Now that band, is that your band?
No, that's my neighbor's.
Yeah, so you took the wind fingers, is that why you the chest head? And you kept mentioning that you liked it.
I was gonna take it and then I just left.
Very, very fantastic. To get that interview in at the end. It was really hard to hear. So I tried to balance the audio. So I have a volume booster on Chrome because the court audio is always so low. And so I have this thing boosted like 400%. And I had to drop it to 250 for the court or for the interview audio. And I probably should have dropped it below that, but it wouldn't have helped the distortion at all. So I kind of I didn't want to keep fucking around with it. The distortion was because I think two factors. Three. One, it's in a bare room, drywall or cement walled interrogation room. The camera is located somewhere obscure because it's not obviously visible, or the microphone might be on the camera, might be under a table. It's not obviously visible. They don't want people thinking about being recorded because the government is awful. Repeat after me. The government is duplicitous in the actual use of the word, lying, manipulative fuckers. Always. They are always like this. They are terrible. They want to pay homage to the fact that you have rights rather than actually respect the fact that you have rights. So they don't want you to realize that you're being recorded. They want you to loosen up and just talk. They want you to self-incriminate. They can't force you to. They just can set everything in the situation up to make you self-incriminate, including lying to you about what they know, lying to you about what their intentions are, lying to you about what kind of thing will help you out versus harm you. Oh, yeah, it'll be much easier. You'll be just fine. You just work with it. You just tell us what's going on. This will go way better for you. They can lie to you about everything. I know that most of the people being interrogated in these things have done something bad. I get it, but fuck off with that excuse. Do not simp for your government. You are the boss of your government, not the other way around. The fact that they even have a police force is something we should barely tolerate. All right. So, sorry, I got off track. They hide the microphone because they don't want you to think about it. Okay. So that's the first thing. Bare walls, no acoustic dampening, no sound absorption at all. Because why would you do that? I mean, if you have padded walls, you can't slam people into it and have any sort of good effect. So you want to use those bare walls, hopefully brick or concrete, in case you need to rough up your suspect. Reminder that they do this all the time also. Not every cop, not every interrogation, but enough of them that it should fucking concern you why they don't just pad the walls. Just pad the walls. Better audio. Less chance of actually causing serious injury. Anyway, next problem you have, the actual video playback that they're using VLC, which is a great open source video player, VLC. They have it cranked all the way to the maximum, which means they're not at 100% volume. They're at something like 150% to 200% volume, and that's going to add distortion to the video playback. And then finally, I don't think the VLC was being purely fed into the court audio stream. I'm pretty sure it's being picked up by a microphone listening to the speaker system in the court. So those factors are what's contributing to the absolute dog shit tier audio quality that we were getting during that interview. So